Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see a very important topic in C4C. Okay, so many of our consultants have a doubt, like you can see this particular screen. This is the service ticket screen, and here I can see assigned to field is there, priority field is there, sales order field is there, incident category. Those different fields are there. Okay, so but the question is how we'll know if that is this particular field is a standard field or custom field. Okay, so we will sort out this particular topic in this video. Let's get started. So there is two type of field we can see in particular screen. So this is my UI screen, this is the C4C UI screen, and particularly this is the service ticket screen. Okay, this is the header area. So header area I can see priority field is there, status fields are there, and many more fields are there, right? तो इसमें से मेरे को पता कैसे चलेगा कि ये जो फील्ड है ये कस्टम फील्ड है या स्टैंडर्ड फील्ड है, राइट? So there is two type of custom field we can add in C4C. It can be a KUT field or it can be a SDK backend field, right? So and there is can be a standard field also, right? So to identify that field type, what we have to do, just go to that particular URL, and here after question mark you have to add a parameter debug mode equal to true and ampersand, and press enter. Once you press enter, it will open in debug mode. Your particular UI screen, will be open in UI screen will be open in debug mode. Here you can see this is showing here, right? Monitoring. This means it is open in debug mode. Now let's suppose I want to find this particular field. It is a standard field or custom field, right? So just press Control, just hover over your mouse in that particular field, which one you want to identify, and just press Control and right click. Here you can see that particular field name. Just copy that field name and go to the third tab, Component Model XML. So Component Model XML, whenever you press this one, it will just wait. So what is this? This tab is actually your entire UI component, you can say. So entire UI component here, that particular screen is a UI screen, right? Fury screen. So Fury have multiple like that. Wait, it will come. Just press enter. So it is, if it is a Fury screen, means multiple tabs will be there, columns will be there, buttons will be there, right? So it will just load all the properties of your particular screen. Now it's got loaded here. इसके बाद आप यहाँ पे कंट्रोल F करके जस्ट फील्ड को अगर सर्च करेंगे, यहाँ पे जस्ट सर्च द फील्ड एंड यू कैन सी once you have to check like this section item, okay, section group item, here you can see that field name, fallback value means that field का description, label you can say, okay, and here that extended by you can see. This particular thing you have to observe here, extended by this particular thing you have to observe, okay. Here let me, so this is coming, this is somewhat coming here, like customer extension is coming here. So this is the property you have to check here, extension extended by, and here it is coming as customer extension, right? Now let's suppose I will search another field. अभी मैं let's suppose इसके ऊपर क्लिक करता हूँ. Let's suppose I click on this particular field, control and left click, it will open, copy that field label, go to that same tab, okay, the screen got loaded, control F and search the field name, okay, so it came that particular area, here extended by, and here it is coming like this. So previously it was coming as customer extension, right? And here you can see your backend solution name, it is coming here, right? So this is the different. So if you find the particular field, if it is extended by coming as a your backend solution का ID, okay, if it's coming, if here it, अगर यहाँ पर आकर आपको backend solution का जो patch solution है या standard solution है उसका ID यहाँ पर आ रहा है, that means this particular field is created from your SDK, okay. Otherwise here if it is coming as a customer extension, that means it is created from key user tool, KUT. Okay, this is the difference. Now let's suppose I will click the status field. I'll click here. You can see status name is coming here. Just copy that. There can be many status field. I'll just go there again and there I'll search you there. Now it's got loaded. Control F, status. So there are multiple names, so it will come here, but don't be confused like this. Okay. So here multiple places it will come like that. If you know, status का नाम होता है user lifecycle status code, right? Here you can see. So this is the field name, actual field name. Here you can see service request lifecycle status code is coming here. This is the actual field name, and label it is labeled as status, but field name is this one. Okay, and here you can see there is nothing is coming like customer extension or your solution name, right? Here it is a namespace, this is coming, and global field, and like this it is coming. Proxy name it is coming here. So in proxy name it will show your BO ka name, whatever BO is. This is the one BO is there, right? So this BO is the service ticket BO. So if you see it is like this. If it is not a here there is no extension, extensively extended by, there is no property here, right? So this means this is the standard field. Okay, so this is the one way you can identify particular field is a standard field or custom field. So this is the way we can identify that particular field is a custom field or standard field. If extended by particular property, it will come like your solution name. That means it is a backend field. If it is coming as a customer extension property type, then it will be a KUT field. I hope you understand the difference between those field, standard field and custom field. अगर कोई डाउट है आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर सकते हो. आई विल रिप्लाई देयर. तब तक के लिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.